Well, yeah, it's a northern chassis, sorta. It's a AC motor converted to DC, and it's a 3D printed drive housing with flyer wheels, axles, and gears, a flyer armature, and shields and brush holder, and it's running at 16.8 volts, and it's pulling at just over 1 amp, and it's running, and I really can't stop it. I can't stop it. And it's pretty amazing. It's just amazing. And I have a couple of more experiments I'm doing. I would say this is an alpha version of a all ball bearing S-scale drive assembly for a steam engine. We have 3 ball bearings, 1 in front of the motor and 2 on the axle. And boy, does it just scoots. I mean, there's like 0 resistance, okay? I might try to do a ball bearing on the back, but I'm afraid that might mean I have to reprint that brush holder. The brush housings actually fit in, so that could be done, okay? I'm just not sure that's something I want to tackle right now. But at any rate, I thought I'd share this. This is alpha, meaning, well, the wheels wobble, right? That's all homemade. I don't have a lathe. I don't have a mill. I grind the axles down. I fit it into the bearings, and then I use JB Weld to put the wheels back on. Okay, fine, sue me. But I wanted to test it. I wanted to say, is this like dumb or what? And my first guess is, no, it's not dumb. It could have something to go for it. You put the other wheels on and the linkage, and then see if it goes down the track. I've been running this for about 10 minutes, and it hasn't dropped in speed or increased in amps. In fact, the amps are dropping from something to 1.0, so I imagine the bearings are getting a little broken in, maybe. I don't know. I did not lubricate it. I just fired it up. I'm so excited, and I thought, hey, you know what? I'm gonna share this. Okay, now I gotta unhook this with one hand. Let's see if I can handle it. Nope, I can't handle it. Nope, I can't handle it. Yes, I can handle it. Okay, I've unhooked it with one hand. Isn't that amazing? Now, speaking of cans, this is the remnants of a can motor, and this is the armature that's inside the can. This large motor, which matches our motor, is that's their armature. I mean, that's okay, fine. But what I did was I took the magnet out of this can to test it on this motor armature, which is the American Flyer armature we all know and love, right? And come to find out, it fits. It will fit. So, what's he doing now? Well, I just need this back piece, right? And then I need something to hold this ring to the whatever chassis I select. Maybe one of mine, maybe one of yours. And if that all would fit together, right? All I need is a spacer to hold that ring. And then I could do that test, which I thought would be fun. So yeah, I thought about it, and lo and behold, it wasn't too hard to come up with a spacer, and then come up with the print. So later today, if the creeks don't rise, hey, you never know. You just never know what's going to come out of here. I mean, right? What else are we gonna do? We're waiting on parts for PC boards. I got my parts from S&S. Really, Steve is a good fellow. He's a great guy. I wanted to experiment my permanent magnet idea. I did not have a large diesel armature, so he sold me one. He refurbished it, and it's just his normal price. I didn't get anything special, but he can also refurbish these armatures if we get excited. That's a DC motor. That's vintage smoke with my lid. Got some new chassis. Notice there's no smoke fitting for them, but we have 3D printed smoke, so we'll get there. Got my fireboxes. I'm going to put those up. I'm going to try to get these out to you guys who have 3D printers. If you want a firebox for your Atlantic, I have them for other engines. I'm going to start with the Atlantic. This fits up in the cab, and it hides the motor. And then you can paint this and decorate it and put knobs and dials and stuff. And then there's a little room there for flicker fire. Got my new thermistors, ran out. That's what's used to control the heat on those babies. Got the chassis figured out. Got 3 of them built for a customer. I'm going to mail those out Monday. We have been thrashing. Oh, I heard water. It's upstairs. It scared me. Oh, God, what's that? We've been thrashing, but we're having a ball. I'll tell you that. Just having a ball. When I get done, I'm going to fire this up and see what happens. I may come back later, but right now I'm just going to show you what's going on Saturday before big winds and the big cold breeze comes back. We're not going out for a couple days, so maybe I'll get some progress. Maybe I'll get some trains built. New trains. Way over there got lots of parts. Yeah, it's where it happens. Okay, that's it for now. Just an update, letting you know we are having a ball, and we're going to build a permanent magnet DC motor with a flyer armature. If it kills me, well, maybe not, but I'm going to try hard. Later.